Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Norcom Mortgage Account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in norcommortgage.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Apply Online option. Now in this page, you'll have to select your loan officer. Then click on Continue your application option. Here you'll have to enter your email address associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot your password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Register link. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into Norcom Mortgage Account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.